finish up this digital job site session, let's put a couple of pieces of fascia and a ridge on our model. We already created a fascia component, so it's simply a matter of selecting this component with the move tool, pressing Control, and moving this to the rafter on the other side. Kind of got that move goofed up a little bit. I want to make sure their fascia is level with each other, so we'll just throw a guideline in here that lines up with the top of that piece of fascia, and it looks like this one landed in a good spot. So we'll get rid of our guideline, don't need that. I'm going to enter the component edit mode for the fascia and drag it down to the length of our building. So now I can drag it in the direction I want to go, hold down Shift and go to the surface of the rafter where I want the fascia to stop. Just like that. Got a couple pieces of fascia. And we're going to draw a ridge to finish this up. Draw a line here, horizontal. Now that I'm in the vertical direction, which is a blue line, let's put a 2x8 ridge, 7¼ inches, in for this point. Now we have a rectangle, we can create a component called a ridge. Enter the component edit mode of that ridge, and same drill as before, grab the push-pull tool, get that face, and drag it down to the other end of our shed. That creates a ridge. We got fascia, we got rafters. Put up in a totally haphazard direction, which is one of the wonders of SketchUp. And then I'm just going to color these components. I'll take the little eyedropper tool, grab a stud color, and show you the difference. I can color these components one at a time, or go into the component edit mode, select all the surfaces in the component, grab the same eyedropper tool, select the same color, and paint all the surfaces, and it creates all the surfaces, colors all the surfaces of that component at the same time. Saves time rather than coloring them one by one. And just for grins, let's pretend we got an LVL ridge. We'll color it like plywood. Grab the plywood color and put that on the ridge. And what the heck, LVL fascia while we're at it. Just to make our model a little more realistic, we'll close this up. Pivot around. If I'm holding down the scroll wheel on my mouse, and that gives me the orbit mode. We'll put a little sunshine on the model to finish up for the day. Get those shadows to turn on, and give a little idea what our framing looks like in the real world. And there you have it, the rafter you're after on the shed project.